Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to compare the QMX with the QMX Plus and what are the main differences. Now, when we are going to hear on all the specifics regards the power, battery life, navigation, mapping system, everything is literally the same, only because they are same products. And the only difference between these two is that you have with the Q8 Max, you have the like the station, right? And here you just have only the Max robot. And when you're gonna find, look here on the key features, you're gonna find one thing here is that with the Q8 Max Plus, you can have also auto dust emptying. That's something that you don't have with the Q8 Max. That's it. And this is something that I found by myself. Maybe there are more to it, but I just researched and I didn't find anything else. So hope this video helped you to like knowing more information regarding both of these products. And yes, thank you. Goodbye.